Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about Bing AI and how to turn off Bing AI on web browsers. But firstly, I wanna say something about Bing AI. It is Microsoft's artificial intelligence system is designed to enhance search experiences and provide personalized results. However, there might be instances when you prefer to turn off Bing AI for privacy reasons or personal preferences. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to disable Bing AI on various platforms. Okay, let's talk about turning off Bing AI on web browsers. And firstly, we will start with Microsoft Edge. And firstly, open Microsoft Edge and click on the three horizontal dots in the upper right corner to access the menu. And then select Settings from the drop down menu. And scroll down to the Privacy Search and Services section. And lastly, locate the Services subsection and toggle off the switch next to show me personalized search suggestions in the address bar using my browsing history and online favorites. And the second browser is Google Chrome. And to launch Google Chrome and click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner and navigate to Settings. Under the Privacy and Security section, click on Sync and Google Services. And lastly, find the autocomplete searches and URLs option and toggle it off. And the other web browser is Mozilla Firefox. First, open Firefox and click on the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner to access the menu, and then select Options, and then go to the Privacy Security tab, and the last one, find the address bar section and uncheck the box for provide search suggestions. And let's talk about disabling Bing IE on Windows and Windows Search. Press the Windows key and type settings in the search bar, then click on the setting app and select privacy, and then navigate to the speech section in the left sidebar, and last turn off the toggle switch for online speech recognition. And what about Cortana? Let's talk about Cortana. Press the Windows key and type Cortana settings in the search bar, and then click on the corresponding result and find the toggle switch for online speech recognition and turn it off. Okay, thank you so much for watching.